Can we go over the first one on the Z-fun practice? And I think that once you have the first one down, it'll be pretty easy for you. So it says, what is a percentage area between a Z-score of 0.43 and 1.33? Okay, since these are not exact Z-scores or not right on a standard distribution, you can't just use the standard percentages, right? So we actually have to find them. So what I do is I take this Z-score of 0.43 and I go to a Z-score table, which you have a link to, and I go to 0.43, and I get this right here, 0.6664, okay? So that's my percentage. So 66.64% of students scored below that score, okay? So we're going to put that number down, 0.6664. So I put it right here, 0.6664. And then we're going to figure out how many students scored the other, or whatever, score, or whatever it happens to be. We're going to look at the other Z-score, 1.33. So we're going to get our Z-score table, and we're going to 1.33, so 0.9082. And then all we're going to do is subtract those two. So 0.9082 minus 0.6664, it gives you 0.28418. And all we have to do is change that to a percent. So you just move the decimal over 2 times, and you get 24.18%. Most of the problems on this practice sheet, I think, are identical to that. It's just asking you for different things. Sometimes you have to calculate the Z-score, like on number 4, in order to get the percentages. But yeah, if you're given the percentage, you can look at the Z-score table and find that percentage and then work backwards to get a Z-score. If you're given a Z-score, then you can use the table to find the percentage. So that's how the Z-score table is useful.